How are you doing?
I'm fine. How?
This is company ABCD.
Afidi?
Yes, I can hear you loud and
We saw
clear.
your application for logistics.
Yes, I wanted.
So we would like to ask you a few questions.
Yes, no worries.
Tell us
About yourself.
In short, my name is Fuad Jamal. As you have stated, I can say that I have experience in dealing with customer relations, and also I'm well organized. I also tend not to miss or delay on deadlines, as it is required at ABCD. I'm also a good communicator, as I have passed most of my communication studies here at Kepler. Speaking of Kepler, I'm also enrolled in the Bachelor's of Arts in Logistics and Operation, and I think I can bring a big deal to the team.
Thank you, Jamal.
Yes.
What do you know about our company?
So my friend referred me to this company, and upon the research that I did, I found that your company is reliable in the supply chain management area. I've seen some of your references on the platform. You have worked with RDB, you have worked with MTN, and all these are potential opportunities that I can also, I would like to network with, I would like to know with. So I also admire the focus and innovation in the efficiency that you have to the customers that you provide your services to, and also to the greater community in general. That's what I know.
Thank you so much. Based on the job description, what part of the job are you most qualified for, and the one you think you're least qualified for?
I'm sorry, can you come again?
I was saying that.
Thank you so much. Based on the job description qualified for, and what I was saying that.
Yes.
What part of the
yes
description you're most qualified for, and the one you think you're least qualified for?
You think you're most
okay, I guess what you're asking is what I'm qualified for and what I'm least qualified for. Yes. And based on how I know myself, I can say that in the areas that I'm best qualified for, in communications relations, because in my previous job I could also deal with customers, feedbacks, and also answer them. I'm also qualified in taking notes, in taking data as needed in procurement at ABCD. I can say I'm least qualified in going home early. I don't think I like to take a lot of time of rest. I think I'm least qualified in managing my personal relations, so I tend to stay at work most of the times.
Thank you, Jamal. Why are you interested in working at this company?
Yes, I'm excited at work at ABCD. As I have stated earlier, you guys work with big industries in the region, like MTN and RDB, as I've said. I'm also excited to pitch some of the ideas of the agents and staff that work at ABCD, and I also think that some of my qualities and qualifications that I have can also help to improve your efficiency in the company. I'm also interested because I would like a chance in operations. I also like the aura in logistics, and I think that about sums it up. Yes.
I would like you to tell me your greatest
strengths and weaknesses, and tell me anything I should know about you that we didn't know.
Okay, I'll start with my strength. I can adapt. I can also keep time. I can also in my weaknesses, I don't know how to say no to my peers, so I tend to do most of the work. Something that you may not know about me is that I'm highly motivated. I can also meet deadlines. I can also work well under pressure, and I'm eager to learn and improve in operations sector.
Jamal,
Yes.
thank you very much for your time. I'm going to notify you or tell you any steps that are going to come after this.
You step to them.
Yes.
So thank you. Have a great day.
Yes. Thank you too. Also have a great day.